This is Kumiko-Teressa reporting from Tokyo, Japan. I'll be introducing you tons of delicious ramen noodle places. Have you ever tried ramen noodles in Tokyo? If you haven't, you really should. This guy over here, his name is Dorance Ishimoto. He's a comedian in Japan known for eating tons of good ramen noodles, and he knows a lot about it, and he's the one who's going to be doing the report. So let's check out today's Tokyo ramen. Today we're introducing a ramen noodle shop in a very popular tourist spot, Kabukicho, Shinjuku. I see a lot of tourists from all over the world lining up for this place. This ramen noodle place uses soy sauce-based pork stock for soup, and it's a bit rich in taste. The fat gives it a sweet, savory taste, and it's really delicious. It doesn't have any unpleasant smell, and it's addictive. The noodles have all three delicious elements. They're thick, smells good, and chewy. Chashu is so addictive, you won't be able to stop. This place is about 5-minute walk from JR Shinjuku Station in Kabukicho. And don't forget to have fun at Golden Guy, which has tons of tiny bars. So, what did you think? I bet you would like to try ramen noodles from this shop. Next time you're in Tokyo, make sure you try this ramen noodles, and don't forget to let your friends know. I'll be introducing a lot of Tokyo ramen noodles, so be on the lookout. I think I'm going to try a bite. This is delicious. So, I will see you in ramen noodle places in Tokyo. Bye!